All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol UCPA. This is requested over here on YouTube by Jonathan. Shout out to Jonathan. Thank you very much for all of your dedication and following the stock chart so closely. So right now you guys are hitting that resistance level that we talked about at 0044. We're going to have that support down here at 0040 as well. We can see that. I would actually... you guys can put that level there. I think that 40 is going to now be that support level. 039, 0039, and 3836 are going to follow up underneath there on the moving averages as well. I'm going to just go ahead and make this easier instead of putting a ton of numbers in there. But 36 is going to be a level that will need to hold. Well, the must hold is going to be down here at the 30 right there. But 35 was going to be the must hold back then. I think that we can put that down a little bit lower here at 30. I think that 30 is going to be the bottom here to remain bullish. I would say that 40 is going to need to hold, but this stock is now bullish. UCPA, like I said, now bullish. Every indicator that I personally watch for is going on right now with UCPA. The only thing that I see here that I would see being an issue at all with UCPA is going to be the volume down here. Okay, we got to pay attention to volume. Volume does matter. Over here on the 815 and 816, the volume really came in. 9 million shares being traded. The average volume for the last 20 days from that day was about 2 million shares. So to give you an example now, you're looking at 48,000 shares so far traded today. Again, it's 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, so it's still pretty early. Very early for the stock market, obviously. 412,000 shares is going to be the average volume for the last 20 days. You guys are at that top level of resistance right now at that 4.4. We've talked about that before, and I said on 10.12, okay, we're going back here 5 days, 0040, resistance at 4.2 and 4.4, support at 4.0, 3.8, 3.6, and 3.5. I'm going to actually jump those around a little bit here because of the moving averages, okay? So 3.6 is going to need to hold to remain bullish. 0030 will need to hold to keep this thing together. A break of 4.4 would put you guys back up to the top. I would watch for that. Look at what happens over here. This is very, very big for UCPA. Look at this right over here. This is going to be on May 19th and 22. You guys ended up breaking through that upper level of 44. You guys break through that 44. Boom, 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 right up off of there. That was an easy double multiple times there really quick. I mean, you guys went from 008 and then ended up hitting a high of 2 cents. So you've had two doubles there easily, a couple 100%. You could have gotten out on the first red day off of looking at it back there. So to keep an eye, to take this into consideration as well, this one right here on the 23rd, I put this one setting up on a technical analysis alert. Or rather, let me correct that. On 523 right here, right when it first started taking off, this is when we first started tracking this one. And I said, watch, could be setting up for a big move here, in my opinion. Resistance at that 60 and 70, support at 50 and 40. You guys got through those resistance levels and pow, right out of that gate. I'm telling you right now, my personal opinion is that this thing is setting up right now. You guys break through that 40, I think that we're going to see a pop here. So watch for a break of that. Watch for a hit above that 4.4 and that volume to pick up. That's what it all comes down to, guys. Remember, volume, volume, volume. I cannot explain that enough, especially with these penny stocks. All right, we're that volume, it's got to be there. Resistance levels that we're watching right now is going to be at 0044. That's going to be top level resistance. A level off of that, we're going to be able to put that a little bit higher here. Maybe at the 50. Yeah, we're going to have one at 50. And then off of that 60, we're seeing that here, and support levels that we're going to be monitoring. I'm not going to get too crazy here and put them in every single level, but support levels I'm going to be watching are going to be at 40. That's going to be one that we need to hold now that we, like I said, Jonathan over here, we've actually talked about this at 40. All right, so 40 right there, 36 following up after that, and then the bottom one at 30. We're going to put a break of 0044 with volume, technical analysis alert. Okay, I'm going to be watching for the volume. The volume has to be there with the break. All right, so a break of 0044, I'm going to put this one on technical analysis alert with volume. With that being said, off of that, 0036 will need to hold to remain bullish. 0030 must hold. Now the difference between those two, so you understand, 3.6 right there to keep this one into the bullish territory of what I personally use when I look through the stock charts. The 3.6 is going to be the must hold. All right. That's got to hold to remain the chart bullish, but the 3-0 is going to be the must hold at the bottom. That 3-0 breaks through, the whole thing could fall apart, but if the volume comes in, you break through 4-4, I think that this thing's going to rock and roll. That's my personal opinion. Watch for that break of 4-4. And if you're new here, I definitely encourage you to go over to investorshangout.com and you click on charts up here at the top. That's going to bring you to the charts where you can follow along with exactly the same chart that I just used right there over here on Investors Hangout. And then you click on live. That's going to bring you to the live show where you can request all the tickers that you would like to see us go through. So again, that's going to be UCPA. Watch for that 44 break.